Landlord tips a game changer. Reduce stress and hassle, increase profits. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in the Manawatu and the Taurua region. So, just short, sharp tips that will help landlords. Episode 3 today, heat pump servicing, a no-brainer. Protecting your investment while keeping tenants comfortable should be a top priority. That's why annual heat pump servicing isn't just a good idea, it's necessary. Here's why scheduling yearly maintenance makes perfect sense. Regular servicing extends your heat pump's life. These units typically cost between $2,000 and $6,000 depending on the size. So protecting the investment is crucial. Cleaning filters and coils means your heat pump operates at peak efficiency. This can reduce power bills by up to 25%, which is a massive benefit for your tenants. Professional servicing catches those minor issues before they become major repairs. It's financially smart as it's much cheaper to fix a minor problem during routine maintenance than replace a failed unit in the middle of winter. If a heat pump is used often for cooling, you can have a problem with mold building up inside the unit. If there is a problem, the service provider will do a strip clean. So tenants benefit too. They enjoy more reliable heating and cooling, better air quality, and lower power bills. Keeping heat pumps in top-notch condition with a 12-month service is beneficial for your property, great for your tenants, and saves you money. So don't wait for those problems to develop. Hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.